Which place are we looking for? What is it? Vertex is one of them. What else?
Y.
Y what?
Intercept.
Y-intercept. This is the easiest way to find. And what else? X-intercept. At least if they exist, that's what you're looking for. The y-intercept is the easiest one to find. Make sure your equation is standard form is always 0c, 0 comma c. In this case, what is the y-intercept?
-5.
-5 as another paired. Why did as another paired? 0, -5. Right? Now, go for the x-intercept. You have option. You can use quadratic formula, you can use completing the square. Which one are you using? Completing the square. So we need to shift the 5 on the other side. We add 5 on each side. We're using completing the square in vertex form. Killing 2 birds with 1 stone. And we will end up with x plus 5 equal x squared plus 4x. We are using completing the square. What we must do? We take what? The p term is 4 divided by 2, and you do what? You square it. And you keep this as your reference. Whatever you do on one side, you must do it on the other side. So you will have y plus 5. What is 4 over 2? That will be 2 squared is equal to x squared plus 4x plus what? 2 squared. And we keep that as our reference. And you will have y plus 5. What is 2 squared? 4 is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4. This becomes a perfect square trinomial. Simplify that. That will be y plus what? Y plus 9 equal. This is something squared. This is where many of you have your issues. What goes inside the parentheses? X plus 2. Some of you keep putting x plus 4. No, it's always whatever b over 2 was. 4 over 2 is 2. That's what goes inside the parentheses in square. Not that number. Right? Here, this equation is almost in vertex form. So once we're gonna use that also to find the x-intercept. X-intercept, you always let y equal to 0. We're gonna rewrite this as x plus 2 squared is equal to 9. This will give me my x-intercept. Now I'm gonna solve for y here. My equation will be y-intercept. How can I get y by itself?
You subtract 9.
No, it's going to be in vertex form, not y-intercept. You subtract 9. Then my equation is in vertex form. This is my h, this is my k. Be careful, when you add in your vertex, this number you have to take what? The opposite of it. Wherefore this is going to be -2 comma -9. This is my vertex. Now I'm gonna come here, solve for x. That's gonna give my x-intercept. I'm gonna take square root of this side, and I will have x plus 2 is equal plus or minus 3. Now I need to get x by itself. How can I get x by itself? Subtract 2. This is also my x-axis of symmetry. I have x equal -2 plus or minus 3.
Good morning, teachers. Tardy test students have been
Supposed
released
to
back
get 2
to
answers
class.
out of
Please
that.
note they're tardy in your grade book and in your
How will I
checklist.
find those
This
2
meeting.
answers?
Thank you.
Right, this is my x-axis of symmetry, which is that one. Then my first x-intercept is -2 plus 3, which is 1 comma 0. That's one x-intercept. The other one is -2 minus 3, that will give me negative 5, 0. And my y-intercept was 0, comma, negative 5. My vertex is negative 2, comma, negative 9. Those are the 4 points that I need to graph. I find them, then I'm ready to graph. Right? Are you writing those things down? Right? Ready? You have those points? You have them writing down? So let's go and graph. Ruler, please. You need the ruler to make your coordinate grid. Other than that, you don't need the ruler. You have to use your hand because it has to be curvy. To the best I can, I'm going to draw my coordinate grid. And those are small numbers. I can use unit of 1. Make sense? My first point was 0, negative 5. Where's 0, negative 5? Where will you go? Y-intercept 0, negative 5. Where you plot that? You go down 5 units. Good for you. Negative 2, negative 4, negative 5. That will be 0, negative 5. That's my y-intercept. My vertex was negative 2, negative 9. Where will I find negative 2? What direction? Go to the left 2 unit. That's negative 2 and drop down. Negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, and negative 9. That will be negative 2, negative 9. That's my vertex. Alright, my y-intercept was 1, 0. Where is 1, 0 is located? 1, 0, people. Go to the right 1 unit. That will be 1, 0 here. The other one is negative 5, 0. Where will I go? Go to the left 5 unit. That's negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. That will be negative 5, 0. Now I need to do my magic. Starting from my vertex, touch it as my y-intercept, which is 0, negative 5. Go to my x-intercept, which is 1. And come back from my vertex and find my other x-intercept, which is that one. And to the best of my knowledge, that's my u. And this is my x-axis of symmetry, where x is equal to negative 2. X is equal to negative 2. And this is my graph. I was here. I'm done.